Hello, this is Noreen Crone-Findlay from TottyTalksCrafts.com, and I am the author of Innovative Weaving on the Frame Loom. I've shown you one video about the clothing, like the wonderful lace shawl and the woven kimono and a whole bunch of other things. And this video is about bags that I designed for the book. Now, the dragon motif it shows up in a lot of different places in different projects in the book. And in this case, it's in part of a dragon bag, which has lovely wooden handles that came from Champagne Fair on Etsy, and the address for that is in the book. And this little bag as well has the wooden handles that they kindly supplied for the book. So these bags have tapestry fronts and tapestry back on this one. The dragon bag doesn't have tapestry on the back. It has faux for harness, and the sides and bottom of this bag have faux for harness, which is a technique for taking weaving drafts for 4-harness looms and transposing them so that you can use them in frame loom weaving. We'll get some more bags that are in the book as well. All the instructions for these bags are all in the book. These two bags use a technique that I developed for the book of knotted lace, and it's wonderful because it makes for a very springy fabric that makes the bags really, it's great because you can get a ton of stuff into the bags. This one I made just a drawstring, and this one I used twigs to make the wooden handles, and I did the freeform dancer motif, which is also in the book, and I added it to this bag too. So these bags are great shoulder bags and terrific for carrying lots of stuff. They don't look particularly big, but they really hold a lot. I love them. This bag is actually an homage to a bag that I didn't get when I was in high school. When I was in high school, there was a shop that brought in these very neat, very plain, very simple woven bags, and I didn't make it over to the shop in time to buy one of them, and so I have made them for the book so that you can make a wonderful, very simple woven bag. I added a pocket to the front just because I could. And it's a very easy bag to make, but very useful. I made the cord for it long enough so that it can be worn cross-body, which is the way I like to wear bags. So, a fun but very easy bag. So the last two pouches that I'm going to show you are a zippered pouch, which is woven in tapestry technique, and I show you how to put the zipper in, which is actually a lot easier than you may think. The yarns, all of the yarns in the book, except for the alpaca hand spun, is courtesy of Brown Sheep Yarn Company, and their yarns are just gorgeous. This one is a drawstring pouch that I wove because one of our relatives plays D&D, and so I didn't realize that pouches for the game pieces are sort of a big deal, and so I designed this bag for carrying small little treasures. For me, I use it for my tatting shuttles, but it's useful for all manner of other things. And these, like all the projects in the book, are all shown complete with all their how-tos. So I hope that you're going to love Innovative Weaving on the Frame Loom. Shack Looms kindly supplied the three sizes, 6, 8, and 10 inch of their easel weavers for the book, but all the techniques in the book will work on any other frame loom as well. Happy weaving. I'm going to show you one more video of small gifts and a few little dolls. So that will be the next video. Talk to you soon, and happy weaving.